Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to make a LED pixel clock. So to make a LED pixel clock you must require DS3231, Max 72 display, Arduino Nano, connecting wires, switches and a LDR unit. So first of all you have to install all the component one by one. Don't worry, I will provide you the link from where you can able to get all the details and code. So after that I will install one by one component in a compact manner. So friend, you can see installation of all the component is completed. So after that you have to make sure all the connection is okay. Always try to place the LDR unit in the top part because the brightness of the display will be altered as per the intensity of light. So after completing the hardware part you have to move to the software part. So first check the board is connected or not and get board information. So it is sure that the board is okay. After that just install the code. I am just uploading the code. After uploading the code you have to make a minor changes because you can see friend, after installation or uploading the code it will get the display, but it is showing default date and time. So for that you have to open a new window again, and after opening the window you have to open this Arduino serial monitor and make changes in the program. So friend, you can see I am just uploading the date and time and sending the data with the help of Arduino serial monitor to the clock. After uploading the data you can see the work is done, the clock is working fine. So for setting this clock you don't require to set it by manually with the help of set button. You have to just upload the time with the help of computer. After the program is uploaded you have to install the battery so that it work fine when the power is off. So you can see I am switching off the power and again switching it on, but time and date remain intact. So friend, please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.